Hi, so this video we will talk about equation of linear function, especially linear equation. So look at first example. I'm gonna give you negative 5 over 3 s plus 3 equal to 23. As you see these questions, this question contains the fraction. And then many of you have difficult time to solve equation which is involving fraction value. Therefore, we better make it without having fraction value first. So, I'm gonna find out common denominator and then multiply it for every terms. Since 3 is the only denominator, now we can say 3 is the common denominator. So what I'm doing is now, I'm going to multiply 3 everything, which means you are distributing and multiply 3 for every terms. Then, this becomes negative 5 over 3s times 3 plus 3 times 3 plus 23 times 3 here. Since this is the denominator, that's the whole number here, you can cancel them out. Or you can just multiply negative 5 and 3, and which is negative 15, divide by 3, they're also fine too. But reduce some calculation, you can actually cancel this out. Then it is going to be negative 5s plus 3 times 3 become 9 equal to 23 times 3 become 69. So next step, you just subtract 9, so we can isolate the variable term here. So this becomes negative 5s equal to 60. So last step, you divide by negative 5. You may think, why not just 5? Because we want to isolate single s, not even negative s. Therefore, you're dividing by exactly same coefficient, which is negative 5. So, we divide each term by negative 5. Then, the answer becomes s equal to negative 12. That will be the answer for this question. So next one here. So 5 equal to 7 minus 2 times 3x plus 1 plus 6x. So this question contains PEMDAS problem because we have here the parentheses and then also multiplications. So multiplication here and addition and subtraction and then addition again here. So we need to follow PEMDAS. But this particular case, do we know x value? Unfortunately we don't. Therefore we cannot use regular PEMDAS. Instead, we will use distributive property, which is the a times b plus c, that equal to ab plus ac. Okay? So, now, let's follow in PEMDAS. So since this is unknown, these parentheses include unknown value, we are using distributive property first. don't subtract 7 and 2 because 7 is single term, but 2 and this one is the one term. So you have to simplify this term before doing anything else. Therefore, this becomes 5 equal to 7 minus 2 times 3x become 6x, and then minus 2 times plus 1 become minus 2 plus 6x. So when you see this carefully, then negative 6x and positive 6x will be cancelled out because they are opposite number. And now, after that, you simplify 7 and minus 2, then you will get final term become 5 equal to 5. So there's no more the variable exists. So this particular case, we can conjecture two different scenarios. It can be infinite, many solution, or it can be no solution. I recommend you pause this video for a second and think about which case will be the answer. The answer is infinite many solution. The reason is 5 is 5. So, which means whatever you input here, any x value, this is always true. Therefore, the answer becomes infinite many solutions. Okay?